In this video, I will show you an easy way to turn plain text into a proper table in Google Docs. This is helpful when you already have a list and want to organize it neatly into rows and columns. Unlike Microsoft Word, Google Docs does not have a direct button to convert text into a table. If you have looked for it under Insert or Format, you will not find it there. But there is a simple and reliable workaround using Google Sheets. I will also show you one more optional method at the end. Let us start with the first method, which is the most recommended because it gives you full control over how your text is split. First, prepare your text in Google Docs. Make sure your text is clean and consistent. Each row should be on a new line, and each column should be separated by the same symbol, like a comma, a space, or a tab. For example, you might have something like name, age, occupation on the first line, and then your data on the next lines. Now copy the text. Highlight everything you want to turn into a table. Press Ctrl and C on Windows or CMD and C on Mac. Next, open a new Google Sheet. You can quickly do this by typing sheet.new in your browser. Click on cell A1 and paste your text using Ctrl and V or CMD. At this stage, all your text may appear in just one column, and that is completely normal. Now we will split the text into columns. Click on the letter A at the top to select the whole column. From the top menu, click Data. Then choose Split Text to Columns. Right away, your text will spread into separate columns. A small menu will appear where you can choose the separator. Google often detects it automatically, but if the result does not look right, you can manually select a comma, a space, or even a custom symbol. Once your table looks correct in Sheets, select all the cells that contain your data. Copy them again using Ctrl and C or CMD, and go back to your Google Doc and place the cursor where you want the table to appear. Paste the data using Ctrl and V or CMD and V. A small pop-up will ask how you want to paste the table. If you only need a simple table that does not need updates, choose Paste Unlinked. Then click Paste, and your table will be added to your document. Now, I will quickly share a second option for those who do this often. You can use a free extension inside Google Docs. Click Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. Search for a text-to-table converter and install it. After installation, just highlight your text. Go to Extensions, select the tool. If you can't see the tool menu, refresh browser and click Convert. This saves time if you do this regularly. That is it. You now know 2 easy ways to convert text into a table in Google Docs. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment telling me what problem you want me to cover in the next video. Take care and see you in the next one.